Hey class, Miss Casey here. We are going to learn more about capitalization. All right, we had a lot of fun learning about our names and capitalizing other people's names. So now we're moving on to places. I want you to get out a piece of paper and a pencil and just write down a few little notes. Um, it's going to help you when you're doing your homework. You can look back on that and see what we did. I'll also upload this video to our Google Classroom so that you can look back at it and watch it whenever you need to. All right, let's get started. Let's see here. All right. So, capitalizing places. When do you capitalize a place? Let's think about it. All right. So as we learned already, names are proper nouns. The names of cities, states, and countries are also proper nouns, so you should capitalize them too. An example would be, we experienced some beautiful Southern California weather last fall when we attended a Catholic wedding in San Diego. Okay, so right here, let's look at this. When we see Southern California, we know that California is a state. So we are going to capitalize that state. I have these in bold just to point them out to you. So we're going to capitalize the C in California, but when we look in front of California, we see Southern California. Well, we know that Southern is a part of California. So we are also going to capitalize the S in Southern. Now let's move down a bit. We are going to capitalize Catholic. It's not exactly... A Catholic church is a place. It's also a religion. It's something that you will capitalize. So, if you're going to a Catholic church or a Catholic wedding, you're going to capitalize the C. All right, moving on to San Diego. It is a city. We are going to what? Capitalize the S, capitalize the D. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, the key to correctly capitalizing proper nouns lies with knowing how to identify types of proper nouns. Any noun that refers to a specific person, not general, specific person, place, or thing is a proper noun. Proper nouns fall into a variety of different categories. So these are just regarding places. So we have geographic locations right here, and that would be your states or your cities and all that stuff. So we got Chicago, Asia, Ireland, Mount Everest, Mississippi River. Then we're going to go to astronomical names, the planets. Planets are places. We're going to capitalize those. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, they're all going to be capitalized. Any organization, such as Habitat for Humanity, we're going to capitalize that. It's a place of business. Oops. Companies like Microsoft, Apple, we're going to capitalize those because those are a place. All right. Schools are also a place that we will capitalize. If you go to a university, such as a big college, you're going to capitalize the O and the U in the name of that university. Just as our school, it is called Lilburn Elementary. You will capitalize the L and you will capitalize the E. All right, so we have cities. Any city, we are going to capitalize. San Francisco, capitalize. We have New York City, capitalize all three of those words. They all go together. Atlanta, we're going to capitalize. When you move on to your states, West Virginia, Texas, Hawaii, we can look at our own state, Missouri. We can look at Tennessee, Illinois, any of those states around us, we're going to capitalize. All right, and we got places such as the Cowboy Stadium, Central Park, the Cardinal Stadium that's closest to us. We're going to capitalize all of that. Those are all places. All right, so when you move to geographic names, You're going to capitalize places only if they are written as a proper noun. So we have Miami capitalized, Boston capitalized, those are cities. All right, towns, Rockland, Whitman capitalized, states, Massachusetts, Florida, Oregon capitalized the states. The countries such as Iraq, Canada, and the United States all capitalized. Rivers are also capitalized. They are a place. Mississippi River, the Charles River, they're all capitalized. All right, sorry if this is a little blurry on your end. Is it correct or incorrect? So let's read this one. He grew up in Harlem, New York. Well, it's showing us that this is incorrect. And that's right, because the H for Harlem should be capitalized as it is a city. New York, the N and the Y should also be capitalized. It is a state. So this is the correct way, and this is the incorrect way. Moving down, the Sears Tower in Chicago has a new name. Well, we know the Sears Tower is a place, so we're going to capitalize the S and the T. And Chicago is a city. We're going to capitalize the C. So this is an incorrect way, and this is the correct way here. We're going to make sure everything is capitalized. All right, so which one of these is correct? A, I was born and raised in Portageville, Missouri. B, I was born and raised in Portageville, Missouri. C, I was born and raised in Portageville, Missouri. Yes, they're all the same, but which one is correct regarding capitalization? So we're going to choose this one that, let's see, the only thing we have capitalized is the M in Missouri. B, we have the P for Portageville and the M for Missouri capitalized. And C, we do not have either one of those capitalized. So which one? I'm going to give you a second to think. Which one of those do you think is correct? All right. If you chose B, that is correct and great job. We are going to capitalize Portageville and Missouri. Portageville is the city. Missouri is the state. I hope you guys are following along and understanding. We're going to have lots of fun working together and learning new things. Let's see. Sorry. Okay. All right, guys. Great job. I'm looking forward to learning more with you regarding all of these awesome capitalization rules, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.